At MagTech, we believe great results start with great service. That's why when a customer chose the HSG X3015 3 kilowatts fiber laser, our team made sure everything from install to training was handled with precision. The X3015 is designed for shops with limited floor space. No exchange table, minimal footprint, about half the size of traditional models, but still packs serious laser cutting power. It's compact, it's capable, and it fits perfectly for businesses looking to upgrade without sacrificing space. After installation, we inspected everything and noticed a couple of small issues, a leaky fitting and a safety door malfunction. We worked directly with HSG, resolved the problems, and had a replacement part on site the next morning. Then we got to the heart of the job, operator training. We walked the customer through every key function, configured the software, and made sure they had access to training materials for ongoing support. We even fine-tuned their network for seamless performance, so file transfers, job queues, and system controls work exactly the way they should. Another job complete. Another customer ready to cut with confidence. Because at MagTech, it's not just about delivering machines, it's about delivering results. Need expert support for your next machine install? Let MagTech help you with top-notch technical expertise. Click the link in the description or visit mac-tech.com/service to get started.